Hello.
Hello.
Hey, if you are looking for a massage gun,
Make sure they do this.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
First thing you want to make sure, Brad, it has a good stall force.
stall force.
Yep,
What?
stall.
Let's talk about stall force. Yeah, so you have it is when you actually can stall out your massage gun, and you should be able to push really hard if you got a good gun, and it will not stall. These
This-
are good guns.
Right, this is our smallest gun,
Right.
and I can't make it stall.
Yep.
And our biggest gun right now.
Yep. Yeah. This one actually kind of hurts my hand. I'm pushing so hard. So yeah, make sure.
All these guns do not stall.
Right. Exactly. And that is a spec you can look up and compare it. But that is something you really want to look for. The next thing is that it's not too loud.
Right, what
There's-
does it mean, Brad?
It's nothing more annoying that when you're working on yourself or whatever, it's loud and it's annoying other people. But what it means is mechanically they're built inside with poor tolerances.
Right.
Things are sloppy in there, they're vibrating, and as a result, it's not going to last very long as
Do they
well.
lack brushes?
Well, that's
Yeah.
another thing. If it's
The
a
brushes.
brushless motor,
It's better, right?
a brushless motor is much better, Bob. They've
Got
been
it.
around for a while, but just in
Got
the
it.
last few years, they're very popular. They will last longer. Everything is better about a brushless motor. It's like comparing a computer.
That was
to
number
a-
3, by the way.
I know, you jumped ahead.
Right. What's the bonus, Brad? We have an Airhead.
Airhead, yes. Now, the Airhead compared to, for example, this roundhead, these are soft. Some of them are hard, and you want them hard, like the steel head, but you always want to have at least one Airhead with your massage gun because,
Go right up bone.
yep, you can get up close to the bone without irritating or
Right.
creating pain. Very nice. And there's a lot of guns that do not offer that. I've looked them up on Amazon on the other ones, and it's like no Airhead. They cost a little more, so you're going to pay a little more, but it's
Right.
well worth it.
So if you're thinking about buying a gun, now is the time.
Yes.
Prime, Amazon Prime, today, tomorrow.
October 11th, right?
Yep, and 12th.
And the 12th. Good. You can't go wrong. Just do your thing on the Amazon.
Check it
and-
out,
yep,
Bob and Brad.
there you go. We've got 4 of them available,
Right.
correct, from Bob and Brad if you want to check into ours.
Look at that.
Well, Bob, once again, we've done it again. We've wasted another precious 5 minutes of these people's time. I shouldn't take that from clicking.
Right.
But yeah,
I
I
knew
think
we
I
did.
think they'd understand.
That's right.